Hey YouTube. Hey family. How y'all doing? Your girl is out in the streets today. This is something quick. Something very quick. I came out. I didn't even want to come out. I wasn't even planning on picking up a video. Just to be honest with you. I didn't. Oh, it's hard in these streets on YouTube. It is hard, honey, but we're gonna make it do what it do, right? So, right now I just came from my favorite store, Trader Joe's. And I dropped a bag in there. 50. I dropped the bag. I call it a bag. I just did that, and yeah, I'm getting ready to go over here. Let me see. I gotta go get some. For real. I came out the house to get some gas because I'm trying to be like in a shut-in. I ain't trying to be going nowhere. I want to sit and relax and watch some movies and eat something. I might grab something to eat while I'm already out. So yeah, Bev in these streets. Bev is off, and I'm trying to relax and stuff because I gotta work. So I figured, let me cut this on, and y'all could go with me. I'm finna run it. I just want to see something in 5 and below real quick. For real. You know, trying to, do what I do. And this is what I'm doing. I'm out in the streets. You see, yeah. I threw a hat on, because, honey, I threw this hair on. I threw this hat on because I ain't got time. Well, I always throw it on. Usually I wear a scarf, but today it's a hat. Y'all like my hat? I got it at the dollar store. But this was a long time ago. This has about what, 4 years old? Let me, I'm gonna go this way. Hey, it's traffic out here. Like, it's already clicking in holiday time. Traffic. I know I got to get to the store because I got to go get my cheese for my mac and cheese. I got to start getting stuff for Thanksgiving. Sure do. I already got the turkey. I got that out the way because that was one of the things I did not want to wait on. So I already got the turkey out the way. I think I'm going to do turkey, and I'm going to do a pot roast. Yes. Look at him. He needs to learn how to drive. Come on now. Let me get a parking spot over here. I'm finna go right in here and 5 and below real quick. I ain't gonna be in here long. It's just something I want to see. And if I see it, I'm gonna get it. If I don't, I won't. Period. You hear me? I said, I don't know what's going on with me. Bev is something else. Y'all love me. Y'all hang in there with me and learning my personality. Because I do got a personality. And you know what? Let me tell y'all, these cars with the computer, you got to look. I still be looking. I still be turning my head to make sure I'm in the line. And I don't know. Sometimes I don't be trusting the, the camera. But I'm looking at the lines right now. Let me get in here. Okay, I guess that's it. Oh, family, just know Bev is trying. I'm trying. So we finna go in here in this store real quick. I just want to see something. I'm just running in. Like, this is what I do. So y'all tagging along with me, Tagging along with me, daily life stuff. Where is my keys? I'm always losing. Wait, let me make sure I got my keys. I don't think I took them out. No, I got them in the bag. Okay. Let me go in here and see if I'm looking for what I want. Okay. And I don't even know. I might not even make a thumbnail or anything with this. Just put it up. Put it up because this is what I normally do. I need to blow my nose because my allergies are kicking. I hate when my allergies is kicking. Like, when the season change, it's just, my allergies just cuts up for no reason. So, let me just pause this. I gotta blow my nose. Sorry. Okay. I don't got nothing in my nose, right? Okay, cool. Throw this in the trash. Let me wipe my hands. Hand sanitizer. For real, for real. All right. I just want to run in here real quick. Let's go. Let's go, family. Y'all come with me. Oh, I'm so hot. I'm hot up under this hair. I can't wait to get my locks retwist. I can't wait for Brenda to put her hands in my hair, and I will be taking my video when I go get my locks retwist. I can't wait. I don't know. It's just I can't do. For some reason, I cannot do just. I like the look good with my fresh locks. You get me? Like that rough look. I don't know if because my hair is still in the process of I'm gonna say locking and growing and stuff. Because honey, let me tell you, I got the shrinkage. The shrinkage is real, for real. The shrinkage is real. So I'm trying to deal with that. So whoo. So, you know, when my hair be looking toe up to the flow up, honey, this is what I normally do. Honey, I throw on a lace frontal. Most people that know me, they know I'm quick to put on a wig, honey. Ain't no shame in my game. But I am in the process of growing my locks out. And I like to wear my locks. But I don't like to wear them when they all looking rough and crusty and stuff. I just can't. Because I like to feel pretty. Now, I know most women, your hair, when your hair is done and it's dead, you feel pretty. It make you feel good. You could wear like whatever and you feel, you know, it's just how you feel. So it's like, see what I got on today? Like, okay, so let's get out this car. I'm tired of talking. But yeah, I'm having a little today it's not my best day for me today. Today is not best day, honey. I feel like I'm hot. I'm going through the change of life. I'm sweating. I'm going through a whole bunch of stuff right now. A whole bunch of emotions too. But you know, I gotta get my head together. I can't wait to get my locks done. I can't wait. Okay, let's go into the store. Forget it. Let's go. All right. Oh, I like this one. You are now a witness to. Yep. Let's see. Hold on. Ooh, they got cute little socks. Oh, let's see. Cute little socks. Ooh. What y'all think about these? Look at these. These are cute. These are a 9. Oh, look at the pink and red shoes. Okay. Oops, excuse me. Christmas stuff. Shirts. What's this? Look. Oh, this feels soft. This is a brown. Look. We got some t-shirts. Oh, they got pajamas. Okay. Look at the cute little bags. They are so adorable. All right, I'm finna check out and go to the car. I forgot I got one more place I might have to go, but I'm not sure. have any store provided. That would be no bags, card, Hey family, so now I'm out the store and I'm up here. I gotta get some gas because it's the tank needs some gas. Okay, so we gotta get some gas, but the only thing is I'm gonna have to get off of here because the app that I use for Wawa, I could do it all. It's all connected to my phone, and then I'll be back. Y'all see me got gas before, so I'm just gonna get some gas, fill up my tank, and yeah, keep it going. Keep it going. And before I do that, I just want to say something. It's holiday time. It is definitely holiday time. So I was originally going to go to Costco's and save a little coin there to get some gas. But honey, the line is so long, I don't even have the patience. I don't have the patience. They already got people by the mall guiding you and flagging you to go, stop, let cars go through because it's already that time of season already. So it is crazy out here in these streets. So Bev said, I'm going to Old Faithful. I don't care. The Lord bless me with funds. I'm going to come to Wawa and just get some gas with a peace of mind because I don't got time to be sitting in no line at Costco's parking, area, the line to go and get a Costco gas, which is good. It's a cleaner gas, but still. I don't have time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and get me some gas here. And I'm going to take myself home because you know it gets dark fast. And I want to sit back and get cozy and watch some movies or something. I think I'm going to pick me up something quick. I said I wasn't going to do it. No, I'll probably go home. I ain't going to do that because I don't need to. Okay, so let me go ahead and get this gas. Dancing all around till the disco ball pops, but I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention, don't turn me into what I'm not, I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. My Alright, we get ready to head home and I'm done. We finna get ready to head home because you know what, Bev is not wasting no money in these streets. You know, because I got a lot of stuff to do. And yeah. So I'm about to go home and get all cozy and just relax and take it easy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still debating on should I get me something to eat while I'm out. But that's lazy, right? It's just too much traffic for me. I'm gonna go home. I got food I can make at home. So bye family. I am out of here, okay? Because I don't want to be driving trying to do a video. And my battery is on 3 minutes, so I got it plugged in so I can try to engage with y'all. You know, I'm trying to engage with y'all. So yeah. So this is it. So I'm out. I'm getting ready to go home because I'm about saving my coin. So I'm about to chill. I just want to chill. I don't want to do nothing. You know what I'm saying? But I'm glad I got on here so I can talk to my family. How y'all doing? Y'all quiet in them streets. Nobody say y'all like to watch me, but y'all say too much. But it's okay because I feel like due time you will. And for those that do, just leave some hearts or in my comments. I appreciate each and every person and all my watchers and my subscribers. I love y'all. So Bev is getting off of here and I'll be back shortly or soon until my next video. I think my next video, let me see. It might be before. I might have a video before, but it's called nature. It's just me outside enjoying some peace and stuff. I let my hair out, got my natural hair just out and just enjoying the weather and the sun and stuff. So I might be putting that before or after. Well, I guess we'll see. Okay. So yeah, I'm out of here. So I'll talk to y'all another time. Bye.